So mung bean, they have a protein in mung bean, so it's really important for me. Man, I'm just awake, to be honest with you guys. It's because I do a lot of strength now. I want to gain about 8 more kg to 70 kg. Before that, I'm 60 kg. Now I want to gain to 70 kg, and it's a big goal for me. Then from here, I eat a lot, but mung bean is pretty good for snacks. For example, I put it after breakfast probably, and also after lunch I need some snacks. The mung bean is really good option.
There are millions of ways to cook mung beans, but we stop today on a porridge with vegetables. There are a lot of amazing benefits for vegetarians, for sportsmen, for kids. That's the list what you need. Some mung beans, carrot, onion, corn, long beans, sprout, bok choy. Cut vegetables the way you like. You can use any other vegetables and wash mung beans. Fry onion on little bit of oil. Then put vegetables step by step. Start with vegetables that you prefer to fry before boil. Usually I put carrot, long beans and sprout, and then you put mung beans. And on top of mung beans you put any other vegetables that you don't need to pre-cook. So I usually put corn and bok choy. After that you fill it with water and put water enough to cover all vegetables. Cook until very soft and well done. You can add more water and boil more. Bon appétit!